Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for watching. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a deep clean of the master bedroom and bathroom. This is the routine that I do about once a week. Whenever I change the sheets on the bed, I go ahead and deep clean the bedroom and the bathroom. Like I said in my last cleaning video, I always have a second set of sheets washed and ready to go, so that way I can just go ahead and make up the bed, because I feel like the room feels 90% cleaner when the bed is made. So as you can see, I'm just changing the sheets and remaking the bed. Now I'm just going to clean off both of our nightstands and put away anything that doesn't belong on top of them. And now I'm just picking up everything off of the floor and throwing it onto the bed, so that way I can sort through what's dirty and what's clean. And now I'm just hanging up anything that needs to go back in the closet. Even my tacky sweater that I wore to Jake's Christmas party. And then taking the Method wood cleaner in the scent almond, and I'm wiping down our nightstands, the lamps, and anything sitting on top of the nightstand. And using the same cleaner that I used on the nightstands, I'm going to wipe down both of the dressers. And then I'm just going to put away the mess I made on the bathroom counter this morning, and then wipe down the counter and the sinks. I'm using the Clorox bleach gel and a washcloth to wash the inside of the sinks. And then I'm going to use the Mrs. Meyers Peppermint spray to wipe down the counters. Using the same spray, I'm going to wipe down this little glass tray that sits on my counters along with everything that sits on top of it. And I try and do this once a week, but sometimes it's every other week. I'm going to do a load of laundry with all of the rugs that are in our bathroom. And then going in, of course, with the Method Wood Cleaner, I'm going to wipe down all of our bathroom cabinets. And then using the same Clorox bleach gel, I'm going to put that all over the shower and then spray the Scrubbing Bubbles multi-surface bathroom cleaner on top of that. Sometimes I use a cleaning sponge to scrub out the inside of the shower, but today I'm just using an old washcloth that I accidentally bleached one time, so it's the perfect thing to use whenever I'm cleaning with bleach. I love having an extended handheld shower head for this exact reason, because after I'm done cleaning, then I just spray out the inside of the shower. And then moving on to the bathroom area, a little trick for you guys: if y'all use plastic bags like I do in your small trash cans, leave a couple on the bottom so that way you automatically have one to replace it with. And then I spray the Clorox Bleach toilet cleaner inside the toilet, and then I'm going in with the Clorox disinfecting wipes to wipe down the rest of the toilet. And now it's time to vacuum. I have the Shark Ultralight TruePet vacuum. I've had it for about 2 years now, and this thing is amazing. First off, it is very lightweight, and second off, it has such a strong suction. It cleans carpet and hardwood floors so well. And I'm just going to use my Swiffer to mop the bathroom floor because my O-Cedar mop head is currently in the laundry. And then Jake decided he wanted to put the bathroom rugs back, but secretly behind the scenes, I was having to tell him which ones went where. Alright guys, that's going to do it for this cleaning video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to like this video and subscribe for videos every week, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!